Why did Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala love Ibrahim alayhi salam so much? I tell you what, if you study his life, initially he led a very, very lonely life. Very lonely. He was on his own. He was abandoned. He was left. His own father turned against him. His folks turned against him. His community turned against him. That was one of the most loved by Allah. What did he have? That's the question I have for myself and yourselves. Today, if a person has the best cars and houses and jobs or businesses and they're earning and so on, we say, oh, Allah loves this man. Not at all. It may be, it may not be. It's not a sign of the love of Allah that you can afford things, that you have the latest, that your family is all with you. It could be a sign of greater love of Allah when you've been abandoned by your own people. It's got to do with what you do for Allah.